Hello tech enthusiasts. Welcome to today's technological product preview. USA Entertainment Ventures have a special presentation for you. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary in the world of simulation, the Small Footprint Simulator by USA Entertainment Ventures. Let's get started. Military Ground Forces. Attention ground forces. Prepare to revolutionize your operational capabilities with the Small Footprint Simulator. This cutting-edge technology is a game changer for military ground operations, offering unprecedented flexibility, adaptability, and effectiveness in real-world scenarios. The Small Footprint Simulator is designed to be your ultimate asset in any military zone. Its portable and efficient design allows for rapid deployment, enabling the immediate establishment of command centers within minutes. These command centers are fully equipped to deploy drones, providing real-time reconnaissance, surveillance, and tactical support. In addition to drone deployment, the command centers established by the Small Footprint Simulator are resource hubs, ensuring that your team has access to essential supplies and strategic data. Whether in the heart of a conflict zone or a remote location, these command centers enhance operational efficiency and effectiveness. National Guard. Embrace the future of military training with the Small Footprint Simulator, tailored to meet the diverse needs of the National Guard. As a vital component of the United States Armed Forces, the National Guard plays a pivotal role in protecting lives, responding to emergencies, and supporting military operations at home and abroad. The Small Footprint Simulator offers a versatile and cost-effective solution for enhancing training across a wide range of applications, from general education to specialized skills development. One of the primary applications of the Small Footprint Simulator for the National Guard is in general education. The simulator provides a dynamic platform for soldiers to expand their knowledge in various subjects, including math, science, history, and foreign languages. Through interactive learning experiences and virtual simulations, soldiers can engage in immersive educational activities that enhance their cognitive abilities and broaden their skill set. Furthermore, the Small Footprint Simulator serves as a valuable tool for training in heavy equipment operation, a critical aspect of National Guard missions. From bulldozers to excavators, soldiers can hone their skills in operating a diverse range of heavy machinery, preparing them to respond effectively to natural disasters and other emergencies. Driving skills are also essential for National Guard soldiers, particularly those involved in disaster response and homeland security missions. The Small Footprint Simulator provides a safe and realistic environment for soldiers to practice driving various vehicles, including trucks, SUVs, and armored vehicles. Through simulated scenarios and hands-on experience, soldiers can improve their driving proficiency and enhance their readiness for real-world missions. Moreover, the Small Footprint Simulator facilitates team-building exercises and leadership development, essential components of National Guard training. By simulating real-world scenarios and providing feedback on soldiers' performance, the simulator promotes effective communication, problem-solving, and decision-making skills. The networking capabilities of the Small Footprint Simulator further enhance training opportunities for the National Guard. By connecting soldiers from different units and locations, the simulator enables collaborative learning and knowledge sharing, fostering a sense of unity and cohesion among personnel. Mobility. The Small Footprint Simulator is designed to be compact and portable, with dimensions of 32.6 inches in width, 56 inches in height, and 80 inches in depth. Given these dimensions, the simulator can comfortably fit into the average service elevator, which typically measures 5 feet 4 inches in width and 8 feet 5 inches in depth, with a door opening of at least 3 feet. Additionally, the lockable casters located at the base of the Small Footprint Simulator allow the simulator to be easily movable, ensuring that it can be transported and installed in various locations without logistical challenges. 4-year warranty. Your peace of mind is our priority. With a generous 4-year warranty, you can train with confidence, knowing that your investment is protected against any unforeseen issues. Whether it's hardware malfunctions or technical glitches, our dedicated support team is here to assist you every step of the way. Say goodbye to worries and hello to uninterrupted training bliss. In summary, the Small Footprint Simulator is poised to revolutionize training and education across industries. We extend our gratitude to you for considering our product and investing your time in exploring its potential. We look forward to providing you with an excellent product and partnering with you to achieve your training and educational goals.